everyone. So today we are going to be doing another Shein haul. This is just completely random stuff. I don't have any type of like unifying feature to even call this haul. It is just 100% random. We have like some beauty items, we have jewelry items, we've got random houseware items, we've got techie type things. So it's just a completely random haul and that's what we're going with today. So I will definitely try to link to any of these items that are still available. Even if they're not, sometimes things will sell out and come back. So I will definitely try to link everything that I can. Let's just get started. It's gonna be a random one, you guys, for sure. So first off, I think I want to start off with like jewelry and accessories because I forgot to put in any earrings and I'm not wearing my usual necklace tonight. So maybe I'll put some of these on, but I did get a few jewelry pieces and I actually got a few other ones that I can't show because they're a gift for someone. So I will not be showing those, but it's along the same kind of style of things like these. So the regular earrings that I usually wear all the time, the like star and crescent moon ones, I also got those from Shein and I just absolutely love those. I think they're so gorgeous. So I got a few more that's kind of like in that same style. So the first ones that I got are these little like starburst little crescent moon earrings, and I think that these are so cute. I think I'm actually gonna put these on now. I just really love these like little like glitzy kind of starbursty earrings. I just feel like they look so pretty. These are like super lightweight too. Like I really truly do not feel like I'm wearing anything, and I am like the world's biggest baby when it comes to like heavy earrings because I'm just so afraid of them like drooping and like dragging my ears and stretching them out and pulling them down and stuff, and they're also just like not comfortable for me. But these truly, like, I can barely even feel like I'm wearing anything, so these are perfect for me because these are just so adorable. I love these. The next pair of earrings I got, again along the same lines, like I'm really into like moons and stars right now, and these are a little bit of a longer pair. So they have like the larger crescent moon, but then they have like this little like rhinestone starburst on here, but they do have like a little bit of like a length to them because they are on a longer chain. I feel like these would be so cute as well. I've just been so into this like style. It's just very me at the moment, and a lot of these were like, I would have to say probably under like $5 per pair, and some of them even probably under $3. And even though these are obviously like just kind of like a fashion jewelry, they're not gonna like last you like forever like a fine piece of jewelry would, but something like this is not something that I wear like every single day like I would like a plain stud type earrings. Now those I would totally recommend like spending a little money, getting a good nice pair, because I've gone through so many cheap little pairs of earrings like that, and with those types of earrings I tend to wear them a lot longer. You know, I'll probably wear them for like, you know, an entire day or even overnight if I don't take them out, and that's when my ears get really irritated. But something like this type of earring or something like this, I'm obviously not sleeping in, so they don't tend to irritate my ears because I'm not wearing them as long. So I do really like these kind of like more fashion-y type pieces and not like spending a whole lot of money on them. But I would definitely recommend spending some money on like some good like basic kind of like studs, or if you like small pairs of hoops or anything like that. I definitely think I would recommend trying to find like a little bit of a nicer thing, especially if you are allergic to like these cheap jewelries, which I definitely am, but since I'm only wearing them for like a few hours, they typically don't give me any issues unless it's something like a cheap pair of studs that I'm wearing like for a longer period of time. That's when I run into issues. And again, this next pair is also little stars and crescent moons, but this is a little bit more of like a smaller style, less like extreme or really flashy like these. I feel like these are like the baby sister to these. And then the last pair of earrings I got, these again are some more moon earrings. These have like little pink stones in them, pink and blue. They kind of give me like Sailor Moon vibes, and it came with like a little smaller pair too, so I guess you could like, if you have double piercings, you could wear both. I think with how big these earrings are, I don't know if I would be able to wear both of them in my ears at the same time, but I thought that they were really cute, and again, it just like totally fits my vibe at this moment, so these made me really happy. And then of course I had to get a necklace to kind of like go with it, because that's what the one thing I realized is that even though I love that little like 3 like stone necklace that I wear all the time, I did kind of want like a little like a celestial necklace to wear with these. So I got this one. It is a crescent moon here with a little sun in the middle here. This one's just so cute, and again, this isn't something I would wear like every single day, so I don't have to worry about it like breaking me out or anything. I'll put this on and I'll wear it for the rest of the video. I love how that looks. I'm not typically like a fan of gold jewelry on me, but for some reason these like styles like with the like moons and stars and stuff I like it in gold. I think it just looks so pretty, and I never really felt like I liked gold jewelry on me. Okay, and then the last thing I got was a little ring. I couldn't help myself. I used to be like a huge like ring girl, and for just some reason I just haven't been wearing rings at all lately. This one's just a little cheapy, but again, it does have like little moon and stars on it as well. And it's one of those ones that you can like open up and adjust the size of it. So it's just like the perfect kind of ring to fit any finger, which is honestly what I need at this time because I haven't been doing my best on my diet lately. I've really kind of fallen off during the holidays and stuff. So yeah, my fingers are definitely one of the spots that I really notice anytime I gain any weight. It definitely shows on my fingers. So I'm very happy with all these. Of course, they are what they are. They're just little fashion-y kind of jewelry pieces. Don't expect these to last you forever. Okay, so the next three things I have are all eyelashes. And you guys, I just did a clean with me video. If you guys saw that one, I was getting rid of a ton of Shein lashes that I had that were just honestly not good quality. They looked just way too big. They looked cheap. They looked choppy and chunky and not good. But I found these, and these are so good. These are probably some of my favorite fake eyelashes at the moment, and I got 3 different sets. They're all similar in the same kind of like style, but they are a little bit different. So the first one I got is this set here. I showed these really quickly in one of my Vlogmas vlog days, and you guys, I love these. These are what I'm wearing right now. These are like the perfect eyelash for me because number one, you can see they're not like a full strip lash. They're more of like a 3/4 strip, which is so much more comfortable on my eyes because when I wear like a full strip lash, it like goes all the way into like the inner corner, even with trimming, and it's just never comfortable. It's always poking me in the eye, and sometimes if you trim them not right, it'll look kind of funky. So these are absolutely perfect for me. I don't have to trim these at all, and they're so beautiful. I feel like they really open up my eye, and I really like how they look on camera too and in real life. They're a little bit bigger than the ones I typically wear, but these are it. They look nice. They don't look like a super cheap kind of flimsy lash like the other ones that I had. So these are so good. I think I need to order more of these because if they ever like sell out of these and never bring them back, I will die. And then this next one I got is very, very similar. It's basically the same exact thing, but these are just, I would say slightly, maybe like slightly more toned down, but just by a hair. I feel like they're not as thick, but I still like these too. And if I want to wear these, like, I feel like these are a good like everyday lash, whereas these I feel like look a little bit better on camera just because they are a slightly larger, like longer lash, which really shows up well on camera, but I would wear either of these any day. And then I got a third pair. Again, very, very similar. The only thing with this one, I feel like these are a little bit more of like a clustery kind of lash. And this is actually my third time reusing this single pair. You guys, if you take care of your lashes, you can get so many uses out of them. My favorite ones that I used to use before these, I would literally use them like up to 10 times. And they looked good and it worked great, so I was super happy with those. So obviously take care of your lashes and you can make these last so much longer. Okay, now we're moving into like just totally random stuff. Like everything I show you're just gonna be like, what? So the next thing I got is supposed to be like a little pocket that you can attach to your laptop, and it can hold like your little stylus pin if you have a laptop that has like a little pin that you can use. Like I have one of those tablet laptops, so I thought this would be a good thing that you can attach. It has like a little sticky back on here that you can stick to your laptop. Also, if you have like the Apple Pencil or anything like that, it would work great for these as well. I know, random, it was like $1 and it was pink, and I'm like, yeah, I could use that. The next thing I got, these are just, I think I got them for like $1 a piece, and these are just like little pink cable managers. I wanted to use one in my office here at my house and then one at my work office just to manage my cables. I have so many cords going every which way, and I thought that these were just really cute and something practical, so I got those as well. And then this, I'm not going to completely open it up, but I will try to maybe insert a picture so you can see what this is. But basically this is a 2023 like 365-day calendar all at a glance. So basically it's like this massive like just the entire year calendar, and I really like the idea of this because I wanted to use this to try to like track my content schedule and stuff, so that way it like just gives me a visual spot that I can like see everything. So I think I'm gonna put this over here by my work computer in my office, and I think having something like this that I'm just like constantly looking at will like help me plan my videos, plan my schedules and my uploading and everything like that. So we will see how this works. Hopefully it'll help help me be a little bit more organized. The next thing I got, this is actually like for my soap supplies. So I should have made this like a business expense purchase, but it's in my haul here. But basically it's like these little cookie cutters, and what I use these for is stamping my soap bars. I haven't done too many of them yet, but I want to get into like stamping little designs on it, and these are so perfect. This is actually for fall, so of course I'm not going to get to use this until like next year when I'm working on my fall soaps. But they are like so cute, so I want to show all the little stamps. So there's like this little maple leaf. This one kind of looks a little sus though, but it is a maple leaf. And this one is a little turkey stamp. I'm not gonna lie, I kind of got these just for one particular stamp, but it was a whole set, so I had to get them all together. But I actually think some of these are really cute. This one is like a little pie slice, like a little like pumpkin pie. I feel like that would be so adorable. I have done a pumpkin pie soap in the past, and I would have loved to have had this little stamp for it. So I'm really looking forward to doing all these soaps next year, because they have a whole bunch of these little cookie sets on Shein, and they're so affordable and they are so adorable. So I'm going to be doing a lot of really cute soaps soon. Then there's this one that just says Happy Thanksgiving. This one's actually a lot cuter in person than I thought. It's just like a little acorn with like two little leaves behind it. I think that would be a really cute like little soap to do. Okay, I'm not gonna lie, this is kind of the one that I bought it for, and it's like this little pickup truck with a giant pumpkin on the back. I think that would be so much fun to do like a pumpkin patch soap, which again, I have a pumpkin patch soap, and I wish that I had this stamp whenever I made the soap. And this one is a little pumpkin with a like pilgrim buckle hat on the top of it. And the last one here is just like a little like cooked turkey on a plate. I don't know if I'll use that one for like a soap stamp, but I do have it, and I thought it was like a really cute little set. And I have my eye on a few more little cookie sets like this for my stamp, so I'm probably gonna buy more later. Okay, the next thing I got is a little like cotton pad organizer, and I didn't realize that the actual cotton pads came with it. So this is what the box looks like. So I guess I didn't like read the description very well, because I thought it was just the box, but it actually came with the little pads in here too. So that's kind of cool. And it was like literally, I don't know, I think it was like $1.50 or maybe $2, but it's got like two different types of little like face pads in here, and are actually like really good quality. And these are different. I've never seen anything like these. Ooh, this one's like a little puffy one. I don't know how to describe it, but it's very soft. And this other one is just like a plain like little thick one. It's actually like several sheets thick, but it is like just like a nice little cotton pad. So yeah, that is nice. And of course, once I use up all of these, I can put my regular cotton pads in there and just like store them and have them like not going all over the place, because that's my biggest problem right now is, yes, I have a lot of things, and I'm well aware of that, but I just don't have good storage options, which is my biggest issue. And it would solve like 99% of my problems if I just had like better ways to store things. And speaking of soap making things, so this I got with the intention to make like little soap out of, but these are so much smaller than I was expecting, and I knew they were mini, but I didn't know that they were this mini. And it's these little silicone cupcake liners. You guys, look how tiny this is. Like, look how tiny these are. I didn't realize they were this small. It's adorable though. And I got 3 sets of them, but I had no clue they were this teeny tiny, but they are actually really adorable. So this one was actually kind of like a funny random purchase, but yeah, I think maybe I'll have to make like teeny tiny soap cupcakes out of this. Again, going back to my biggest problem, storage. So I got some of these. I think I actually got like 6 of these, and basically they're just these little like grid container dividers, and I got these to organize some of my wax melt decorations that I have. Like I have a whole bunch of like little confetti pieces that I use to like decorate things, and I have them all in just like little baggies that they came in, but it's just so hard for me to like sift through everything. So I thought this would be a nice option to have to really organize all those little decorative items and get rid of like the mountains of little individual baggies that I have. So I did get like 6 of these, and I did start organizing them, and they are actually working out pretty well. And I think these were like maybe $1.50 a piece, so very affordable. And I mean, there's like a million things you could do with these, but especially if you're like a crafty kind of person, if you do like beads or jewelry making or charms or anything like that, something like this, it would be so easy to like help organize things. Okay, the next thing I got was like kind of a little bit random, but also I love it and I think it looks really cute. So basically this is what it is, and it is a little Nintendo Switch holder. So you can just like put your little Switch on here, it just holds it. And I thought this would be great for like charging because number one, the charging port is right down here and this will help like not bend the cable or anything. So I love this. Was a silly purchase? Maybe, but it was like $1 or $2, so I don't mind. And also it just gives me like a little spot on my nightstand where I charge all my stuff to have like just a cute little moment with my Nintendo Switch. And then the last few things I got are all like lighting type items, which are kind of different, but I definitely have some good ideas with these. So this first one is a set of these little like touch puck lights, I guess is what they're called. And it came in a set of 6 of these little lights. So they look like this and you can like tap them to turn them on, tap them to turn them off. I don't have any batteries for these yet, so otherwise I would turn them on so you could see what they look like. But I did get these so I could put them underneath my kitchen cabinets to kind of have like an under the cabinet lighting. And I thought this would be like a really great affordable way to do it. This was like, I think it was $10 for this set when I purchased it. And it also has like a little remote that goes with it, and you can change the colors of these lights. So I like that a lot. I probably will just use the white light, but I like having the option of changing the color, which just makes it that much better in my opinion. So I definitely can't wait to like put these up. They also come with like the little sticky mounting tape on the back here that you can put on them. So it's just gonna be perfect. I feel like it's gonna like really elevate just like my little kitchen area. I don't really have like a super nice kitchen or anything, but I like these little touches just to make it feel a little bit nicer to me. So for $10, not bad as a little upgrade to my kitchen. The next thing I got are these little lights. So these look a little weird, but they're kind of like those, what are they called? Not like the sun lights, but kind of. But these are a little bit smaller than I was expecting, but I will try to like insert a clip of me plugging these in so you can see what they look like. These are actually really pretty. It's got like a pinkish to like a bluey green kind of like gradient on it. The only thing is I was wanting to use these to like do like some cool background lighting, but I don't think that these are large enough to do the trick, but I do think that these would be cool in my room, so I definitely have an idea for these. But I do need to get a few like little blocks for these to plug into, but I will insert a clip of what these look like. They're actually really, really pretty. And same with these next 2 items. These I actually think will work pretty well for the whole like background lighting that I'm working on. And I got these 2 lights. They did come individually, but they look like this, but they're again kind of like those like sunbeam light. But the cool thing about these is that you can actually change the colors of these as well. They did have some that were just like a stationary like one color, and I found these and they have like all these different color options. There's like, you know, just a regular red, green, blue, and white, but then there's all these other colors and you can like flash and strobe and do all kinds of cool stuff. And the cool thing is I can control both of these lights with one remote, which is awesome. So again, I will try to insert a clip of what these lights look like, and I was actually really impressed. They're pretty bright and pretty cool. All right, and that is everything for my totally random Shein haul. I hope you guys enjoyed. Like I said, I will try to link to everything that I can possibly still link to. I will provide in the description below. But yeah, that is it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, please like and subscribe. You can follow me on Instagram. Link is below. And until my next video, I will talk to you guys later. Bye.